Problem 21, number 15, or page 15. Delilah earns $108.75 for working 15 hours as a holiday helper wrapping gifts. At this rate, how much money will she earn if she works 18 hours the next week? So here we first have to find the unit rate. And once we find the unit rate, which is the amount of money she makes per hour, we will multiply that by the amount of hours she works. So let's take a look at it. So she works here, it says for 15 hours. She works for 15 hours and she makes $108.75. So we need to know, okay, if she works a total of 15 hours and she accumulated $108.75, we need to find out, well, how much money was she making per hour? We need to find the unit rate. The way we do that is by dividing. So remember, in order to decide which number goes at the top or bottom, we need to remember that the period of time always goes in the denominator. So since 15 represents the period of time, hours, then that number will go in the denominator. And that makes it easy for us to kind of know what number goes at the top or bottom. Another way to think about it is think about what number you're trying to divide, what number you're trying to break into pieces or split. And think about by how many are you trying to split. So the number that I'm trying to break into pieces is the money. I'm trying to figure out how much money she makes an hour. And I'm trying to do that, break it into pieces by 15. So we have our division problem here, 108 divided by 108.75 divided by 15. Again, I will not go through the steps of division. I already have a video on that. If you don't know how to divide, go watch that video. If you do, you'll find that the answer is $7.25, guys. Can you believe that's like minimum wage? This is how much you get paid, minimum wage, $7.25 an hour. And so now they want us to find, well, how much money will she make after working 18 hours? We know how much money she made when she worked 15 hours. So how much money will she make if she worked 18 hours? And all we have to do then is multiply 7.25 by 18. And when we do that, again, I won't go through the steps on here. Your answer is $130.50. So she makes $130.50 after working 18 hours, making $7.25 per hour.